Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Infinix. You need to begin by opening Play Store. When you're ready, click on the search bar and type in dev check, like that. Now get this free app from Flare to Developer, dev check device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!